Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add watermark in Instagram Reels. So first, you need to prepare your video first before upload it as Instagram Reels. After that, you can just open the Instagram apps. I'm sorry. Okay, so if you haven't downloaded the app, you can find it on the Google Play Store. Here you can also just create an account if you haven't, and after that here you can just click on this plus icon, and then just find the video that you want as your reels. Here don't forget to click on the reels tab, then just select the video. Okay, so for example, in here I want to create videos reel from this ones right here. You can just tap on it, and then you can see this is the video that I want to make as reels. So here you can just tap on the AA options or the type options, and then you can just write your watermark. For example, I'm going to just write my channel's names in here. Don't forget to change the font. I'm going to change it, and choose a font that you think fits your style the best. Okay, I'm going to just use this elegant. Don't forget to adjust the size. I'm going to just make it small like this, then just put it in anywhere you like. For example, I'm going to just put it here at the bottom like this. And if you want to, you can also change the color or add a background by clicking on this options right here. You can change the style to how you like it. Okay, I'm going to just go with this. Oops. Okay, if you want to you can edit the reels. You can also add music, stickers, and other. Now you can just tap on next, and here you can just upload the reels. Don't forget to write the captions, add hashtags in here. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to create watermark on your Instagram reels, you can follow my steps before. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.